This is Anshika Singh. Welcome to the first episode of the BKBPS News Pod, a podcast that is brought to you by BK Birla Public School faculty and the Student Council. A podcast that will be broadcast to you every fortnight. Carry on with your daily schedule while we deliver our podcast. Let's start with updates about the exciting events that happened at our school in October 2021. Over to Devesh Khatwani for updates on the curricular front.
After 1.5 year long period of school shutdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, offline classes finally started for classes 8 to 12 after the government of Maharashtra permitted reopening of schools in the month of October. Keeping in mind the pandemic and following the precautions, the school followed phased reopening and a system of blended learning was introduced, wherein the choice of attending online or offline school rested with the students. While offline classes for class 12 began on 4th October, the school reopened for classes 10th and 11th on 11th October, and for classes 9th and 8th, school reopened on 18th October. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat and Jai Shakti Abhiyan was announced by CBSE in the month of October, and the school formed the ESEB club for carrying out the activities, and student council members and volunteers selected for the same. Now, Harina Atwani will be sharing festive news.
Even when students continued to learn virtually, the faculty and students teamed up to celebrate our culture, and various virtual events were organized to celebrate special days and festivals. Gandhi Jayanti celebration was organized virtually on 2nd October in the memory of our father of the nation. Mathematics Week was celebrated with daily assemblies related to the importance and the application of mathematics in our daily life in the second week of October. Special assembly on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was held, which covered special programs on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on 21st October. Special assembly on World Heart Day and video titled End It was shown to create awareness on ending the use of plastics on 28th October. Virtual Diwali celebration was held on 29th October. Besides an all-school event, classes 1 and 2 celebrated Diwali by giving presentations on the preparation of Diwali, while our teachers gave engaging information to our young minds by sharing information on the celebration of Diwali in other states and countries. Teachers also narrated the story behind the festival of lights and made decorative diyas. Diwali Pahat, an initiative by our Honorable Chairman Shri Chitlange Ji, was orchestrated on 30th October 2021. It was indeed a musical bonanza that added to the auspiciousness of the Festival of Lights. Over to Akshay Kumar for external examination updates.
Hi there, I'm Akshay, and speaking on external examination updates. Last month, students were motivated to participate in myriad public examinations. Taking a look at them, we see that firstly, registration for Logicat's Mental Aptitude Olympiad for 2021-22 started on 1st October, followed by CBSE Expression Series launched by CBSE on 11th October, and the entries for this were accepted till 25th October. The theme of this series was the freedom fighters of my town, district or state. Later, Fit India Quiz by CBSE for standard 8th to 12th was announced, and 12th October was the last date for the registration. Later that month, registrations for national level TCS Iron Intelligem contest on 21st Century Skills for the students of standard 5th to 9th started from 19th October, followed by registration date for National Creativity Olympiad, which was extended till 24th October. Lastly, on 30th October, National Achievement Survey was announced to assess competency of students of classes 3rd, 5th, 8th and 10th. Over to Swara Joshi for updates in inter-school competitions.
inter-house competitions were organized as per the schedule to provide a platform for students to exhibit their talent and prepare them for inter-school events. Our proud Birlites kept up the glory of the school by winning in various competitions and bringing laurels to the school. Kudos to these young winners. The annual Literary Conclave. Manthan is a festival for celebrating art and literature on a common platform in the wonderful ambience of critical literary dialogues. BKBPS students participated in 5th edition of Manthan, held between 29th October and 31st October, in which Anak Devnani won 3rd prize in Turncoat debate. Chinmay Parate was recognized as most promising speaker. BKBPS team Divesh Khatwani, Manit Galani and Vasundhara Agrawal became the critics' choice in radio play. BKBPS team Richa Kamath and Ritika Mulchandani won 2nd prize in quiz. Acropolis 2021 was a tribute to the great martyrs of the heart-wrenching Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Various events and competitions were held in 2 categories, junior cohort and senior cohort. Our students represented our school and achieved in various events. Junior cohort, Ms. Nicole Raj from grade 8 was conferred the Best Speaker Award in Turncoat debate. Ms. Riddhi Joshi from grade 8 won the Best Performer Award in the Living Newspaper event. Ms. Ananya Singh from grade 7 won the Best Quizzer prize. Senior cohort, Vaibhav Khanka, Ojasvi Arora, Amod Vardhan Dubey and Anusha Singh from grade 10th teamed up to win 3rd prize in the Museum of Living Material event. Sagarika Kumar from grade 12 won the 1st prize in discursive writing, while Ved Joshi from grade 12 won 3rd prize in Critics' Choice Award. Akshay Kumar from grade 10 was awarded the Most Promising Quizzer Award. We have Divesh Khatwani with the sports news.
Devesh Chauhan from class 4E and Aradhya Tikam from class 8D participated in National Online Chess Championships. Aradhya Tikam secured the 90th position in the U16 category in the National Online Chess Championship. Nainish Tikam from class 4G secured gold medals in 100 meter and 200 meter National Athletics Championships held in Pune. Now, I hand over to Arnab Chaudhary for news bites on webinars.
Many webinars and virtual events were held for students and parents in the month of October. Webinar for parents on mental well-being was conducted on 9th October. Online short sessions and quizzes were conducted on the topic of securing digital space in the month of October. Start Now by youngest soft skill trainer, writer, journalist, podcaster, winner of Top 20 Influencer Awards 2021, Arnay Agrawal for class 7th and 8th students was held on 23rd October. Webinar for parents on nutrition and its relationship to physical and mental health and well-being was conducted on 1st October. Karate Tales launch of a chapter book, A Time for Abby with author Poilis and Gupta was held at 5 p.m. for Standard 5 on 5th October. Session on nature poetry, creatures around us and other wildlife by renowned nature author Katie Bagley was conducted for students of Standard 4th A, 4th B and 4th C on 11th October and for students of Standard 4th D, 4th E, 4th F and 4th G on 18th October. Session on the launch of Manolita by Minmini Reads was organized on 27th October. That's all for this month. Let us now hear one of our alumni, Arihant Swaminathan, from the 2018 batch share his experience in BKBPS.
School is a temple of knowledge where education and teachers are the gods and students are their disciples. For me, school, apart from being a temple, has also been a place which I can call my second home. Back then in 2013, when I entered BKBPS, I was an introvert. Covered by the walls of a new environment, I was not sure what was in class for me. From being a demure person to being one of the school captains in 2016, I was happy that this school shaped me in an amazing manner. Within a week of entering the new school, the school recognized my talent in music and I joined the school choir. I loved to play keyboard, which later helped me in participating in several competitions. Even all the teachers were quite supportive. After becoming the school captain, I even got a lot of exposure to big crowds. The one lesson that I learned during my time in BKBPS is that when you put your total effort and pursue your passions and interests, people around you are always ready to help, and you get a sense of belonging in such communities which shape you as a person. You just have to tell yourself that you are ready to do whatever it takes. Thank you.
Wonderful words from our alumni. I hope this will inspire our ambitious students. As we have come to an end of our first episode, we would like to thank all the patient listeners and hope they adored our podcast. Remember, we'll pop up every fortnight. Subscribe to our podcast and share it with your friends and family so that you don't miss out on any of our notifications. Also, kindly leave your reviews and we will be happy to work on them and reach out to more people. Till then, stay tuned for our next episode and see you all soon.